Welcome again to another web episode of Owen Carpet's Hardwood Flooring, Solid versus Engineered. My name is Paul Collins and I'll be with you over the next couple of minutes. Hardwood flooring has been a part of this country since the founding fathers. Many times you can visit national landmarks and still see some of the original hardwood floors still in use. Many times in the past, hardwood floors originated from 48 inches in width, and now today we commonly use them in 2 1/4 and 3/4 applications. Hardwood flooring comes in two different types of application. Solid being the traditional 3/4 inch tongue and groove fit, and now today over the past 10 to 15 years we've seen an explosion in engineered hardwood flooring. Engineered is consisted of a top layer of veneer, which is going to be the actual species of wood that you're going to be using. Then underneath that real veneer of wood, you're going to have what we call as plies or cross layers. Typically those plies are going to be 3 to 5 inches in thickness. And how those are constructed is, imagine my hand as a piece of paper. One of the plies is going this way, the other ply will be going this way, and it will consist of 3 to 5 different levels. Engineered wood serves its purpose for people who have houses that are on concrete slabs, and making it easier for them, or actually it's the only way that they will be able to have hardwood floors. Engineered wood also serves its purpose in the market for people who are concerned about moisture in kitchen areas, in bathroom areas, or in below grade areas where you have your basements or something like that, where moisture, humidity is going to be a big factor. If you're being in some of the panhandles of Florida, maybe some Arizona, or somewhere like that where you're concerned about some of the different fluctuations in temperature, engineered wood is going to be a very good product for you to use. Solid hardwood floor is very good in the sense that it can go over plywood subfloors. It's going to be able to be down for generations of use. Again, going back to the founding fathers, you will be able to use that product down all the way into the tongue and groove, getting lifetimes of use out of it. Hardwood floors are going to be one of the few products, along with ceramic tile, that whenever you go to put your house on the market, you will see a bump in the resale value by putting hardwood floors. Hardwood floors in the solid application, again going back to the traditional nail down version, will come in two different versions. One, as you can see here, is going to be what we would call a pre-finished. Pre-finished hardwood floors is going to give you a factory finish. Now what that factory finish is going to give you is going to give you that solid wood has been, once it's sawn and milled and tongue and grooved out, it's going to go through a drying process. It's going to go through the heating whenever the aluminum oxide coats are put on it. What that is going to do, not only going to give you a very good finish as far as the wearing goes, but it's also going to reduce some of the moisture content that 3/4 wood has in it. And that is going to be a benefit. Why? Because hardwood floors, the solid version, is going to expand and contract. A lot of people will use the term breathe. As it is a traditional, it's a real wood, that floor is going to breathe. So the benefit of the pre-finished version is you're going to have less moisture, you're going to have less expansion and contraction, and you're going to get a superb finish of aluminum oxide, most times six or more layers. The other way you can purchase solid hardwood flooring is going to be in an unfinished variety. Unfinished solid hardwood, the benefit of it is you're going to find it mostly in custom construction, some builder construction. The reason why builders choose to use that is they can come in, they can lay the wood, then they can set the cabinets, then they can set the appliances over the top of that hardwood floor. And then they can come in with the other tradesmen, beat and bang up the floor, and once they're finished they can sand it, then they can put the urethane coats, and the floor is done. It's more of an ease of convenience for the builder, but what we're doing is we're shortchanging probably you, the consumer, because what happens is you are solely reliant then on the quality of the technician who is sanding and refinishing your floor, and you're also relying on the type of stain he's used. and you're probably only going to get about a 1-year finish warranty at best with that sand and finished floor, whereas opposed to a factory pre-finished, you're going to have 15 to 25 years worth of finish warranty, and you're also going to have a structural warranty. So it pays to know the difference. Pre-finished, factory finished floors are a very good value. So again, thank you for joining us at Owen Carpet. If you have any questions, feel free to join us on the web at owencarpet.com. Email or call us at 800-626-6936 and talk to one of our professionals. It is worth your time. Thank you and have a great day.